So today's video is going to be something which is very different. मैंने ऐसे मेरे चैनल में कभी कुछ किया नहीं है. It's something I have never done before. You guys also wanted to see something around horror concept since a while, and I recently came across something which is very interesting and somewhat related to horror and thriller and suspense kind of. So lately, one of my friends sent me this comic, which is a digital comic kind of thing where you read the comic, but comic is not like any other comic. इसमें real video, sound effects and movements और वो सब मिलेंगे. So it's like a very like movie like experience kind of comic, but it's very short and it's got a very interesting story. And today's video is actually based on a real story. I'm gonna read you a comic which is actually a real story, real horror story kind of thing.
Damn, that shit good.
It's something that I'm doing first time now. I don't know, this video could be like sad or average or could do really well. I'm like risking it out, but at this point I just want to do whatever I feel like doing on my channel and not really care about how many views it'll get. I really want to know this. If you guys like this video and if you all want me to make like more parts of this and like a series thing, drop 2000 comments below, because that's when I'll really know okay, you guys want to see, आप लोगों को ये देखना है. And I'll try and find the best and the most weirdest, like creepy, weird, suspense, thriller, horror kind of comics video series, and we can like go through them together. Without any further ado, I'm really excited. मैंने ये देखा नहीं है because my friend told me that it's a one-time experience, like because there are so many like sound effects and video things and all, like first time देखने में ही मजा आएगा. So I've not watched it. I was controlling myself to like watch it with you guys right now. So we're gonna watch it together right now. Let's do this. Okay. So the story is Bong Xiao Dong Ghost. Okay. This story is based on a true eyewitness accounts. Like it's kind of like a true story basically. So yeah, it's starting. I don't know. I've never seen or experienced something like this, so I am also like excited to like do it for the first time. Anyway, let's start. It was around 11:20 that night. I was dragging myself home exhausted after a tiring night study session at school. ठीक है, एक लड़की का night study session था रात को, तो वहाँ से वो स्कूल से जा रही थी. But there was no one on the street, which I thought was strange. I usually see a lot of people even at night since my apartment complex is pretty big. मैं headphones भी पहन लेती हूँ ताकि थोड़ा आवाज आए. So वो अपने अपार्टमेंट के कॉम्प्लेक्स से में गुजर जा रही थी और वहाँ पे कोई नहीं था. Usually she finds people over here, but that day she was like it's empty. Anyways, feeling scared, I kept looking down on the ground while walking home. ठीक है, डर डर के वो नीचे देख के चल रही थी. Suddenly a shadow stretching towards me caught my eyes, although there wasn't anything around me. जैसे ही वो चलती थी नीचे, she saw a shadow, जबकि उसके आसपास कोई नहीं था. That's weird. मेरे साथ like if I see a shadow also and there's no one around, like there only I like give up, like I don't know. I'm like that for too. I looked up to see who there was. Okay. And saw a woman walking in front of me, but she looked a little strange. I could say that she looked crippled. She was limping and struggling to walk in front of me. Oh, वो limp करके चल रही थी, मतलब ऐसे वो चल रही थी अजीब तरीके से. यहाँ पे कुछ तो गड़बड़ होता है, like गड़बड़ लग रहा है, like something weird. I smell something fishy over here. Since she was walking very slow, I soon caught up with her. Up close, I was able to see her even better. वाह, बड़ी strong है.
What did I do?
She speeded up her वो थोड़ी fast चलने लगी, and that's when she could get a better view of what she saw. Oh, the pictures only so weird. Like picture में उसकी टांग की कोई टेढ़ी मेढ़ी है. She was wearing dirty pink pajamas and looked as if all her joints in her body were twisted. Okay, उसकी सारे body टेढ़े मेढ़े लग रहे थे कुछ. Worse, her hair was a mess and sticking out of everywhere. She was basically having a bad headache. It seemed weird, so I stopped walking. I felt like I shouldn't get any closer to her, nor did I have the guts to pass by. At this point, even I would have done the same. She stopped walking and वो रुक गई और उसको guts भी नहीं था उसके और पास जाने को, and same मेरे में भी नहीं है. I felt like I shouldn't get any closer to her, nor did I have the guts to pass by. Okay, this was the jump scare that they were talking about, and the voice is so weird. The voice where she twists her neck, the bone crack, it's just so weird. So weird. Okay, now I'm scared to watch this video or whatever, because I'm wearing earphones also, तो कान में एकदम आ रहा है, and I didn't expect इतना calmly the flow was going, and suddenly you hear this thing. It's a little scary, man. You know, people say that if you are really surprised, you can't even scream. That was right. I froze there, not being able to move at all. She got so scared, वो freeze हो गई. I don't know, like it may be maybe actually जब भी real life events में people witness something like this, शायद से वो लोग freeze हो जाते हैं, तो वो भी हो गई.
Where is my baby?
Ghost. She asked her where's her baby, and the picture is so weird, like पूरा खून 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 खून. My door got opened suddenly on its own, and it's night का 12:15 right now. So weird. Anyway, let's continue. My thoughts were racing to her question. Oh my god, I don't even know what I was thinking when I did that. It still gives me chills thinking of that moment. Okay, वो freeze हो गई, and उसको पता नहीं वो क्या सोच रही है और क्या हो रहा है. वो moment में she's just frozen and blank. Okay. I answered pointing as far as I could. Okay. So she pointed कि your baby is there. I honestly wouldn't do this because you don't want to F around with the ghost. Because अगर पता चला कि तुम उसको पहली बार तो झूठ बोल रहे हो कि your baby is like somewhere that far, and if the ghost catches that you are lying, I wouldn't. Honestly, I wouldn't. I don't know what I would just run away, but I wouldn't lie to a ghost. She was pretty gutsy to do that, and apparently this is a real story, and she's actually done it. उसको ghost ने पूछा where's my baby, and she actually said it's there. ठीक है, let's find out what happens ahead. Oh, वो अपने उल्टी मुंडी से देख रही है. अच्छा वहाँ पे बाप रे, over there. I just wanted her to get away from me. Then she limped towards where I pointed to. जहाँ पे उसने point किया, वो limp करके she went there. Okay. And I couldn't see her anymore. Fearing that I might run into her again, I tried to turn around and leave that apartment complex. Fearing that वो उसको वापस से मिलेगी, she took another ulta. Okay, she started getting away from there, thinking that she might meet the ghost again. I could not think of anything but to get to a place where there would be people around. Even I would go to a place, पूरा crowded place दिखे, थोड़ा सा मन को शांति मिलता है कि अगर वाट लगेगी तो सबकी लगेगी. If something happens, I have people around to go down with me. I'm not alone.
Wow!
At that moment, oh,
She's not here.
the ghost caught her. This is what I kind of wonder, like not to F around with ghosts, bro. You can't lie to them, especially something so serious. She's searching for her baby, and she's like, I heard her screaming from far away. Okay. Now I don't know if I want to make more parts of this. I really don't know. That was scary. And the sound is so weird, bro. The sound is so weird. And she
What?
I don't remember anything from then. I heard that my neighbor found me passed out on the ground and took me home. She passed out. I would probably die at that moment out of heart attack or something. Okay, at least she was alive and she was found by someone. That means she was safe. Okay. In 2007, an apartment complex in Bongxiao-dong,
What the bro?
basically, in 2007 apartment complex, a 33-year-old woman jumped off the apartment and died on the spot. Oh, they're explaining the real story of who the ghost was. Okay. Known as Sir Name Show, a divorcee due to her extramarital affair. Okay, she had an extramarital affair, and she had lost her custody of her 2-year-old daughter and decided to commit suicide. So the ghost is basically एक wife जिसका extramarital affair था और उसका divorce में उसने अपनी बेटी का custody खो दिया, so which is why she jumped off the building and committed suicide. After that incident, Shaw was seen walking around that apartment complex several times. तो इस incident के बाद वो अपने apartment complex में घूमती है in search of her daughter, and this is a real story. Oh, damn. My eyes are a little teary because I didn't expect. Okay, this was the experience that my friend was talking about. I really want to know like what you thought of this video, and if you really want me to like make more parts like this, just drop like 1,000 comments. And if that happens, I'll know you guys liked watching something like this. This is fun, but I enjoyed it. Like maza aaya. Anyway, thanks for watching and subscribe, guys. We're close to 100k. I want to get that like ASAP, and yeah, let's get there.